Nhất xa sự hợp chính em mà đem cái chính nhập.
Hắn nghe lại phim ngay xe.
Bác có bài bên em nghe. Nãy thì bro chính em nghe nắp xin nhớ cái tay pop. Bác cầm bà jungi.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kan National People's Party kelapan menai ka thup Kyrteng meningkong jong ki apusau Ngut ki Kyrtong ki ban aireng hak election Shaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ke ban Selongshan. Unoi lam jong ke NPP Marcus and Marak ubalong ru menteri ke sarkar jilla hak jingakran bagi lar petai khubor ula pentip bagi state election committee jong ke NPP kela Mynjur de Kyrteng jong ki apusau Ngut ki Kyrtong nak bentak election Shaka Ghadc kat bahasa santli ki constituency ki de bedangsa Banaja Mynjur.
I would like to welcome print media and also the electronic media to this press conference. This is specially regarding the Ghadc elections to be held early part of this year. From the NPP party, today the state committee has approved the first list of candidates that have been sent from the regional committee, which has been thoroughly examined based on the winnability, loyalty, integrity, and past political experiences. And from different sources, we have taken the report, and based on that, the regional committee has decided and recommended to the state committee. And today, the state committee, under the leadership of Sir Preston Song, who is also the state president of NPP Meghalaya State Unit, has approved the list of candidates sent by the regional committee. So therefore, I will name out the name of the candidates against their constituency number. So I'll name out from number one, that is accordingly, they are number one. Number one, CG constituency. After thorough discussions and different rounds of meetings, we have come to the conclusion to consider the candidature of Sri Khalis G. Moman. To Ghadc, same for this constituency also, we have decided to fill Sri Jagul S. Mara as NPP candidate. Fifth, Gaswapara, Sri Sengcham N. Sangma. Sixth, Baringapara, Sri Kapilson A. Sangma. 7. Babelapara, Sri Rakesh A. Sangma. 8. Amongpara, Sri Balsrang Areng. 9. Tura, Sri Charming Star N. Sangma. 10. Dengnakpara, Sri Kreditson C.H. Marak. 12. Nogorpara, Sri Lainekar K. Sangma. 13. Jigjak, Sri Sanjay A. Sangma. 14. Betta Singh, Sri Sanjay Koch. 15. Rochonpara, Sri Arbinston B. Marak. 16. Asanang, Sri Anseng A. Sangma. 17. Balachanda, Sri Andres C.H. Marak. 18. Batabari, Sri Maxwell M. Sangma. 19. Shyamnagar, Sri Peter Job A. Sangma. 22. Jenjal, Sri Grahambel A. Sangma. 23. Rongrong, Sri Sunny Rogers G. Moman. 24. Bolsong, Sri Pongseng R. Marak. 25. Damas, Sri Doli K. Sangma. 26. Kharputa, Sri Modi M. Sangma. 27. Samandagri, Sri Nihim D. Shira. 28. Darubri, Sri Henen R. Sangma. 29. William Nagar, Sri Singbat R. Marak. So these are the candidates in the first list. 24 number of candidate has been finalized. Rest, only 5 constituencies are left, which will be decided very soon and will be declared accordingly. So these are the ones. 9 constituencies will be contesting from all the 29 constituencies.
And from among those names which you have listed out, like how many of them are sitting MDCs and how many of them are?
Well, sitting MDCs are like sitting in Singchum, who is also the MLA of Chokpot constituency. He is also the sitting MDC. And Babelapara, Sri Rakesh A. Sangma is a sitting MDC. And Nogorpara, Sri Lainikar K. Sangma is a sitting MDC. Beta Singh Sri Sanjay Koch is also the sitting MDC. Rochonpara, Sri Arbiston B. Marak, who is also MLA of Silsila constituency, is also the sitting MDC there. And Janjal, Graham Bell A. Sangma is also sitting MDC. Then Darugri, Sri Henan R. Sangma is also a sitting MDC. Only this other. Well, Asanam, Ansing A. Sangma is also a sitting MDC. Another party is on the job. Our party leaders are already started campaigning in a small way, village to village. All the campaign have already started. And this particular candidates whom we have declared today, they're also already on the field right from November, December, and before that also. Some of them are sitting, so preparation is already there. Total, I have not counted. There are lots of candidates applied for NPP ticket. In some of the constituencies, around seven is the largest number of candidates who have applied for the party tickets in different constituencies. Minimum is 2-3. So it was very difficult on our part also to reject anybody from the list. So that is why we have taken so much of time. We have been meeting the candidates one-on-one. This has been done by National President himself, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, who is also National President, and also our senior leaders and myself. We have been meeting all these applicants, those candidates who are seeking party ticket. So we have been meeting them, we have been consulting them so that we get their support, we get their cooperation also in the forthcoming elections. With great difficulty, one more thing I wanted to inform you. We have denied ticket to the sitting CEM who was representing Siju constituencies. It was with great difficulty we have come to this decision because question of winnability is also there. So therefore, we have denied him the ticket. But we are requesting his cooperation with party's decision. Constituencies which is pending for finalization of the candidates, those are Raksamgri, Naguapara, Boldamgri, Silkigri, Rumrikamgri. These 5 constituencies are the one which will be decided in the last phase of the election committee meeting.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ।
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ।
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है। लेट्स गो गाइस, पार्टी टाइम।
Skoda.